I hope you had a Merry Christmas. Did you realize that today marks the first day of the week-long celebration called Kwanzaa? For those of you who aren't familiar with Kwanzaa, it's a time that honors African heritage by celebrating family, community, and its culture. So to celebrate it, we came up with a recipe that we think is very fitting. We start by placing a cut-up chicken in a plastic storage bag, then adding some soy sauce, vegetable oil, a little bit of rum, jerk seasoning, and a few slices of red onion. We're going to let that marinate a few hours, or even better, overnight. Once it's well marinated, we drain it and place the chicken and the onions in a baking dish, and into the oven they go until no pink remains and the skin starts to crisp up. Now, while that's roasting, we can whip up a quick side dish to serve with it, which is simply a bag of coleslaw mix that we toss with a bunch of colorful veggies and a 2-ingredient dressing. And although this is perfect for Kwanzaa, it's also great after all those holiday leftovers are used up. It's one of those dishes that's so simple, yet so satisfying that everyone comes back for seconds. The recipe for what we call jerk-style chicken and the Kwanzaa slaw are both online now, so you can enjoy them tonight or any night that you want something easy and special. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we're looking for a festive way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."